Children, will continue with exercise 11.4, the next three questions, 6, 7 and 8. A milk tank is in the form of a cylinder. So, the basic shape that we are talking is of a cylinder. A milk tank is in the form of a cylinder whose radius is 1.5 meter and length is 7 meter. Find the quantity of milk in liters that can be stored in the tank. So, there is a milk tank. The tank is in the shape of a cylinder. Radius and height of the tank is given. Now, we want to find the quantity of milk that can be stored in the cylindrical tank, and quantity of milk should be in liters. Here our units are given in meters. So, we have to convert meters to liters and then we have to find the volume of the tank. So, shall we start doing it, children? So, what should we do first? Whatever things we know, we have to write that down. Radius equals 1.5 meter. Length of the tank 7 meter. Therefore, volume of a cylinder is 5 r square h, 22 by 7 into r square means 1.5 whole square into 7. 7 and 7 gets cancelled. 22 into 1.5 into 1.5, you will get it as 49.5 meter cube. Then 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. Therefore, 49.5 meter cube will be 49.5 into 1000 liters. If there was no decimal, 495 into 1000 will be 4,95,000. Since there is a decimal, your answer will be 49,500 liters. After the decimal, there is only one number. Here also, after the decimal, there is only one number. So, the answer will be 49,500 liters of milk can be stored in the cylindrical tank. Okay. Next question. If each edge of a cube is doubled, edge means side of the cube. So, there is a cube. Then, if the side is doubled, how many times will the surface area increase? How many times will its volume increase? So, think of a cube. No measurements of the sides are given. So, we are going to take the edge of the cube or side of the cube as x, and then we will do the problem. So, let the side of the cube equals x. So, what will be the volume, children? Volume of a cube is, the side is x, x cube. And what will be the surface area? 6 x square. If the side is x, volume will be x cube and surface area will be 6x square. Now, the side is doubled. So, now what will be the new side? It will be 2x. So, how can we find the volume? Volume will be 2x the whole cube and it will be 8x cube. What about the surface area? Surface area is 6 into side square. What is the measurement of new side? 2x the whole square. 6 into 2 2s are 4x square, which is equal to 24x square. So, we got the volume and surface area of a cube of side x, and we got the volume and surface area when the side is doubled. Now, read the question. How many times will the surface area increase? How many times will its volume increase? when the side was x and when it was doubled, how many times the volume will increase? The new volume equals, what was our new volume? 8x cube, which is equal to 8 into x cube means the volume when side is equal to x. So new volume equals 8 times the old volume. So how many times the volume has increased? The volume will increase 8 times when the side is doubled. And what about surface area? New surface area is 24x square. We can rewrite it as 4 into 6x square, which is equal to 4 into the old surface area. So when the side is doubled, the new surface area will be 4 times more than the old surface area. Volume will be increased 8 times and surface area will be increased 4 times. So just remember like this, a cube of side x, find the volume and surface area. Then new cube, what is the side of the new cube? It is doubled, 2x. When it is 2x, find the volume and surface area. Compare the new volume, old volume, new surface area, old surface area, and see how many times the increase is made. Okay? Next question. Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. So into a cuboidal reservoir. Reservoir means it's a tank. So there is a tank in the shape of a cuboid. Water is pouring into that cuboidal reservoir. You can see a figure in the textbook also. Now water is pouring into the reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. In 1 minute, 60 liters of water are pouring into the cuboidal reservoir. If the volume of the reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. The volume of the tank or the reservoir is given. It is 108. If the volume is 108, you need to find the time taken to fill the reservoir. So just read the question one more time. Water is pouring into a cuboidal reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. If the volume of the reservoir is 108 meter cube, find the number of hours it will take to fill the reservoir. So there is a cuboidal shaped tank. Water has been pouring into that. The rate is 60 liters per minute. In 1 minute, 60 liters of water is being poured into that. So in 1 hour, how much? And the total time taken to fill the reservoir whose volume is 108 meter cube. So we will start by writing whatever given in the question. Volume of the reservoir 108 meter cube, it is given. Rate of the water pouring into the reservoir is 60 liters per minute. Volume is given in meter cube. Here we are having liters. So we are just converting the liters into meter cube. Now 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So what will be 1 liter? 1 by 1000 meter cube. So what will be 60 liters? 60 by 1000 meter cube per minute. So in 1 minute, 60 by 1000 meter cube of water is pouring into the reservoir. We usually write it in hours because in the question they have asked find the number of hours. So minute should be converted to hours. 60 minutes is 1 hour. So here 60 by 1000 should be multiplied by 60. Then you can write it in meter cube per hour. Okay. So did you understand the conversion? Water is pouring into the reservoir at the rate of 60 liters per minute. Liter can be converted to meter cube. How? 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liters. So 1 liter is 1 by 1000. So 60 liters means 60 by 1000 meter cube. But our question, we should find the number of hours. So minute can be converted to hours by multiplying by 60. So rate of water will be 60 into 60 by 1000 meter cube per hour. So they have said in 1 hour 60 into 60 by 1000 meter cube of water is pouring into the reservoir. So 1 meter cube of water will take how much hours? 1 meter cube of water will take 1000 by 60 into 60 hours. 1 hour 60 into 60 by 1000 meter cube. So in 1 meter cube of water will take 1000 by 60 into 60 hours. But what is the volume of the reservoir? Therefore 108 meter cube of water will take 108 into 1000 by 60 into 60 hours. 2 zeros gets cancelled. Then 108 into 10 by 6 into 6. After simplification and all, you will get the answer as 30. So to fill the water of volume 108 meter cube, 30 hours is needed. Okay. Just remember the conversion and understand this part. 1 hour it takes 60 into 60 by 1000 meter cube of water. So 1 meter cube of water will take this much hour. Our volume of the reservoir is 108 meter cube. So 108 meter cube of water will take 30 hours to fill. Thank you.